Section 1. Introduction. The dream of your first book. Writing a book is a dream for many. Holding your own story in your hands can feel incredible. It's a big project, though. It takes effort and dedication. But don't worry, just take one step at a time. This guide will help you. We'll cover everything from planning to publishing. Let's turn your dream into a reality. Section 2. Planting the seed, purpose and audience. Before you start writing, ask yourself, why this book? Who are you writing it for? Your purpose guides your writing. Your audience determines your style and tone. Are you writing a thriller for young adults or a memoir for a wider audience? Knowing your purpose and audience helps you make key decisions. This makes your book stronger. Section 3. Mapping the journey. Research and outlining. Just like a road trip needs a map, your book needs a plan. Research is essential even for fiction. Gather information, explore your settings and characters. An outline is the roadmap for your book. It doesn't have to be rigid, it's a flexible guide to keep you on track. Section 4. The Writing Marathon. Consistency and goals. Writing a book is a marathon, not a sprint. Write every day, even if it's just a little. Set achievable goals. Maybe aim for 500 words a day or a chapter a week. Find what works for you. Remember, consistency is key. Section 5. First draft to final manuscript, embracing revisions. Don't be afraid to write a messy first draft. Just get your ideas down. Editing comes later. Once you're done, take a break. Then revise and rewrite. This is where your story takes shape. Section 6. Polishing your gem, editing and formatting. After revisions, it's time for editing. Self-editing is a good first step. Then get feedback from beta readers. Professional editing is crucial for a polished manuscript. Formatting ensures your book looks good in print or digital form. Section 7. Dressing to impress. Cover design. A book cover is the first impression. It needs to be eye-catching and relevant to your genre. A professional designer can create a cover that draws readers in. Don't underestimate the power of a great cover. Section 8. The Publishing Crossroads, traditional versus self-publishing. You have two main publishing options, traditional and self-publishing. Traditional means finding an agent and publisher. Self-publishing gives you more control but requires more work. Research both paths to see what fits you best. Section 9. Sharing your story. Marketing and promotion. Marketing is crucial for getting your book seen. Build an online presence, create a website or social media pages, plan a book launch, request reviews, consider ads, connect with readers. Section 10. The journey continues. Monitoring, adapting and growing. Publishing your book is a huge accomplishment, but the journey doesn't end there. Track your book sales. Listen to reader feedback. Be open to adapting your strategies. Learn from your experiences and keep writing.